Binomial nomenclature, the two-part scientific naming system. Welcome to this lesson on binomial nomenclature, the universal system scientists use to name living organisms. This standardized approach helps biologists and researchers worldwide communicate precisely about different species without confusion. Binomial nomenclature is a standardized system for naming living organisms using two Latin words. This system was created by Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century. Before Linnaeus introduced this system, organisms had long, complicated names that varied from place to place. His revolutionary approach brought order and consistency to biological classification. Every scientific name consists of two parts. Part 1 is the genus, which is the generic name and is always capitalized. Part 2 is the species, known as the specific epithet, and is always written in lowercase. Together, these two parts create a unique identifier for each organism on Earth. Let's look at a familiar example: humans. Our scientific name is Homo sapiens. Homo is the genus name, and sapiens is the species name. This identifies us precisely in the biological classification system. Notice how the genus is capitalized and the species is lowercase, following the standard rules. Breaking down Homo sapiens further, we can see each component clearly. Homo represents our genus, which groups us with related species that share common characteristics. Sapiens is our specific epithet, distinguishing modern humans from other species that may have existed in the Homo genus. This two-part structure makes identification precise and systematic. There are three essential formatting rules for binomial nomenclature. Rule 1, the name is always written in italics or underlined to distinguish it from regular text. Rule 2, the genus name is always capitalized. Rule 3, the species name is always lowercase. These consistent formatting rules ensure clarity and prevent confusion in scientific writing. Here are more examples to illustrate the system. The gray wolf is Canis lupus. The tiger is Panthera tigris. The sweet briar rose is Rosa rubiginosa, and the golden eagle is Aquila crescidos. Notice how each follows the same formatting pattern: capitalized genus, lowercase species, all in italics. Why is binomial nomenclature so important? First, it's a universal system understood worldwide, crossing language barriers. Second, it eliminates confusion from common names, which can vary by region. Third, it shows evolutionary relationships between organisms through shared genus names. And fourth, it provides precise scientific communication, ensuring that scientists everywhere are referring to the exact same organism.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.